Hello friends, today I came with unboxing for this 4-in-1 personal cleansing kit. Okay, it's from Twister. Okay, as you see, 4-in-1 personal cleansing kit. It's cleaning, exfoliation, hydration, workiness, reducing, and massage. Okay, as you see, it came with four part or accessories. Okay, one is the big one, as you see here, the big one for body, the little bit smaller brush for face wash, the soft applicator here for massage or for the moisturizer. Okay, and the last one here for kills remover. Okay, remove this skin. Okay, for foot or elbow. Okay, and it came with in this box. I will open now and I will show you what the box came in. Okay, so let's see. So let's see what the box what came in box. Okay, the box itself is very beautiful and I will open it. Okay, first of all, it came with manual. Okay, the information about the product itself. It's showing you what the product came in, like cleansing unit, body brush, facial brush, kills remover, I think facial massager, this one, and this one exfoliator. Okay, exfoliator, and the information. Now let's see what's came. Okay, we'll take that out. It came like this plastic thingy here. I will take it out, and very beautiful in white color. Okay, so okay, I will take everything like this. First of all, it came with this unit. It need 4 battery, not rechargeable, it's battery, need 4 AA battery. Okay, okay, and the applicator look like this, silicone thingy here, and the on and off button here. Okay, this big brush for body. Okay, this small brush for face. This soft sponge for moisturizer massage. This one for face massage. And last part is for this skin remover or kills remover for foot and elbow. Okay, this one for foot or eyebrow. Okay, so This is the cleansing, personal cleansing kit. Okay, need 4 battery as I said. I will open here. You will see the error. Okay, open it. I will try to open just a minute. I can't open. Later I will try. So this is, now I will make a review. So friend, now I will review. Okay, already I put a battery here, 4 battery, AA. Okay, I put it here. I remove this cap and I put it. Okay, and now first of all I will show you this one. Okay, you see here, like if you see this one, I'll insert only this in it. Okay, that is now wet. Okay, wet it. And I have this face wash or body wash, anything body wash use, but I don't have to now. Yeah, I don't have. I will use this one like this. Put how much you need, and here is like off and on button. I will on it. This big brush for body. Okay, the big brush for body. So I will open it like this and I will apply it. Okay, for my body. Very nice, as you see. Okay, and the brush is smooth, not very hard. Very nice for skin and deep cleaning. Okay, okay. Now I will use the small brush for face, this one. Okay, that is okay. Okay, now wet it little bit, not too much. Apply face wash for this, and you will see, and apply to your face. Okay, circle motion or okay. Like that. Okay, for face. Or neck also. Okay, okay. Now I will wash my face, then I will come to you. I wash my face. Now I will remove this one. And I will use the spongy one. Okay, okay. And now here I will use moisturizer, Nivea. I will put on it like Nivea and put it. Okay, also you can use this sponge for makeup, for foundation. Okay, you can use it for primer or for any cream, Fair and Lovely or any cream. You can use it also for beauty thingies. This sponge, okay? Apply it. Circular motions. In your neck also you can use it. In your nose. Okay. Very nice. Very nice. Okay, the last part, which is this one, like a stone one. This one for remove the killed skin or the death skin. Okay, this one for foot, for elbow, for anything. Okay, the death skin. Okay. What you do, you put your foot, okay, in warm water with some like shampoo, okay, baby shampoo or another shampoo. Warm water, okay, warm to hot water, okay. Soak your foot in that warm water and add some shampoo or body wash, anything, and keep it 10 to 15 minutes. Then by towel, dry it, then use this one, okay? Or you can apply body wash here and also massage it, okay? It will make your foot or elbow smooth and nice, this one. So I want to tell you something about this. The brushes, the sponge, the death skin remover is excellent, is amazing. The machine itself very nice and travel friendly, you know that, because battery, not rechargeable, not danger for you in bathroom. The rechargeable thing is, I think it's danger in bathroom or travel time. Maybe the charge will be finished. You know, the battery is very friendly. You can put your battery with you and change the battery if it's finished, and not danger for you in bathroom or water or something. Okay, very friendly, lightweight, and clean, very nice. The brush is not very hard, nice for skin. Okay, and yeah, this one is not expensive also, like 100 dirham or 80 something dirham in UAE. If you don't have that one, like that much money, I will show you one similar. I have it, cleansing kit. It came like this, and this is 35 or 40 dirham, okay? Better than 80, so you can buy it. But in this one, no body brush, okay? This one is 40 dirham and that one is 80 something, okay? Same battery you need, and have too much of accessories here. Maybe in another video I will make a review. And no body, the body brush in this one you don't found. You will find small and medium and very nice like accessory also in this one. And I use this one also too much, and for many, for year or 2 year I use this one. Very nice. Then after 1 year or 2 year it damaged, but I buy this new one. Okay, so I recommended this one because have big brush for body and lightweight, battery, travel friendly. So 100 10 of 10. Nice. I love it. Try please. So here I will finish this vlog. Be happy, be smile, be beautiful from inside. Until another video, stay home, stay safe. Bye.